If you were looking forward to seeing Justin Bogle race this year, well, you're going to have to go across the pond because he's joining the UK Arenacross Tour on the Stark Varg. Obviously, where is he, 2014 AMA 250 East champion. There it is. I've just figured that out. He's obviously bounced around through a few teams and here and there and privateer rides and whatever. But now he's across the pond, which is kind of no cool because it's one, a different series, two, a different country, and three, a completely different bike going from combustion to electric. And it kind of is. This is a thing. Is it going to be competitive? Is he going to be competitive? He's joining two other people, um, Jack Brunel and Eddie J. Wade. So it's going to be kind of neat to see. In the comments below, I want to hear from you guys. Do you think, one, the bike's going to be competitive? Two, do you think he's going to be competitive on the bike? And three, are you going to watch this? Is it going to be something that you find on YouTube, or I don't know how you're going to be able to watch this, but whatever. Comment down below your opinions, your thoughts on it. And while you're down there, like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.